Pour yourself a glass of apple juice and sit back while we go over how to set up OWASP's Juice Shop in a private environment. Juice Shop is a great way to practice web app pen testing while remaining both legal and ethical, which is paramount. I'm looking at you, Skidlords. Today we've got a VM spun up on Catalyst VM, a new hosting provider on the block that owns their own hardware with a mission to fight the ridiculous VM costs seen by competitors. If you want to take them for a test drive, check out the description for a free 3-day trial and 10% off your first order.
Yeah, that's right. CyberHub is showing at 38 subscribers.
There are 3 primary ways to set up Juice Shop, but since you're watching this video, we're just going to go over the 2 easiest ones, being a package distribution and a Docker container. There used to be a quick deploy function with Heroku, but corporate greed took over and they're no longer chill homies with a good free tier. First up, let's talk requirements. Our flavored liquid merchant requires Node.js with support for a variety of versions. I'm installing Node 16 because that's what the cool kids do. Once we're set up with Node, let's look at Juice Shop's releases to pull down the latest release with wget. I'm throwing it in the user or USR directory. If you feel it should go elsewhere, you're more than welcome to go cry into your pillow about it. Running npm start will make Juice Shop check itself before it wrecks itself, and upon a successful swerve, it'll open wide on port 3000 for a stream of packets. As we can see, our live fire range loads up just fine. You can put this behind an SSL cert with a domain via an Nginx reverse proxy, but that's outside the scope of this video. Not to mention, this is just a funny meme video, or it's supposed to be funny. You be the judge. Feel free to ask in our Discord for more information regarding reverse proxy. So everything is working great in the Juice Shop, but if we close our terminal, we murder the running process, and that's just illegal. Let's make it a service that's running with systemd so it's operating 24/7. Simply put, we're creating a service file for systemd. This is relatively straightforward, and if you extracted Juice Shop into the same place as I did, and the version is the same, you can copy paste the that I put in the description. Next, let's register and enable it with systemd, which will smack our creation to life if we pass the --now flag. And everything is working as expected. If you expected anything different, I'm sorry to disappoint. For the exceptionally lazy, let's roll this out with Docker next. I'm going to install the prerequisites and Docker itself first, of course. You're more than welcome to try without Docker installed, but we'll all collectively laugh at you. Check the description for a link to the Docker install guide. After Docker is installed, we suck the Juice Shop container down into the abyss of our system and threaten its kneecaps if it does not start by issuing a docker start command specifying, no, demanding that port 3000 be utilized. To nobody's surprise, it works. That's about it. Have fun and make Juice Shop your bitch. If you get stuck installing it, either try harder or join our Discord server for help. You want to join a community of like-minded cybersecurity professionals? Hit up our Discord server with giveaways, memes, and general cybersecurity talk at discord.gg/cyberhub.